In this tutorial, I am going to focus on this question: how to earn passive income through social media. This video delivers some practical ideas, strategies and income generating tactics which can help you create passive income through social media. So if you want to know some simple best practices to create an extra source of income and build passive income with social media, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me I like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's begin. Idea number 1. Earn commissions through creating sponsored posts. A simple way your small business can earn money from social media is by promoting the products or services of other businesses. This is also known as sponsored posting, and it's a direct way to make money on social media. A brand will sponsor posts to show up on relevant pages, and when a user clicks on that ad, you will get paid. This is a good way to leverage a large following on social media. A sponsored post is a paid advertisement that is posted on social media. Brands pay influencers, bloggers and regular users to share their product or service on their social media account. The post can be in the form of a photo, video or even a story. Determine your niche. Identify the topics you are passionate about and have a large following in. For example, if you are a foodie, your niche could be food and cooking. Focus on growing your followers on social media by consistently posting quality content. This will make you more attractive to brands looking for influencers to promote their products. Create a media kit. A media kit is a document that showcases your social media presence, your audience demographics and your rate for sponsored posts. This can help you secure more sponsored posts and negotiate better rates. Once your presence on social media, you can reach out to brands in your niche and offer your services for sponsored posts. You can use websites like influencer.co to connect with brands looking for influencers. Create high quality content. When doing a sponsored post, it is important to create high quality content that aligns with your personal brand. You want your followers to see that you are genuinely interested in the product or service you are promoting. Let me give you some examples of sponsored posts. Beauty products. If you are into makeup and skincare, you can do sponsored posts for beauty brands. For example, a makeup artist could post a video tutorial using a new makeup product. The next is fitness products. If you are into fitness, you can do sponsored posts for fitness brands. For example, a personal trainer could post a photo of themselves using a new fitness product. Another one is travel. If you love to travel, you can do sponsored posts for travel brands. For example, a travel blogger could post a photo of themselves exploring a new destination and write about their experience using a travel app. Many of the social media platforms have a sponsored post setup. Twitter has a direct link to sign up for their sponsored posts. Visit sponsored tweets to match your company with relevant topics and start earning money with each relevant tweet. Companies want to work with bloggers and influencers who create quality, helpful content for their readers. They also want to work with people who have a dedicated audience. So first things first, build a blog that people trust. The point of landing sponsored blog post deals is to connect brands with their ideal customers. If you've been blogging for a while, then you may have really impressive data to brag about on your blog or website. But no worries if you don't. Not all brands are looking to work with the super hot shots. Some people actually prefer smaller bloggers and influencers with a more dedicated and engaged audience. Sponsored posts can be a great way to earn money from your social media content and maximize your income through sponsored content on social media platforms. To get started, determine your niche, build your audience, create a media kit, reach out to brands and create high quality content. With dedication and some hard work, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. Idea number 2. Create and sell online courses. Do you love teaching or have specialized knowledge to share with the world? Selling online courses is another source of passive income once you have an established customer base. You can sell your online courses through your website or learning marketplaces like Udemy or Masterclass. Online courses are one of the fastest growing media channels with easy setup, multiple ways to monetize and growing demand across nearly every niche. More entrepreneurs, creators and companies are starting to create e-learning content for the very first time, and the timing couldn't be better, with industry experts estimating the online education industry to grow to a staggering $350 billion by 2025. Thankfully, there is one type of marketing that is perfectly suited for this task: social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok and LinkedIn. These platforms have a great impact on the decisions we make. And according to the Online Learning Trends report, social media traffic is the #1 way top creators attract students to their courses. Get shout outs on Instagram and TikTok. Though both of these social networks have ads you can purchase to promote your online course, there is another more organic way to get your work in front of relevant audiences: shout outs. To get a shout out, you'll first need to identify which types of accounts your target audience follows. Typically, there are two main types of accounts that fit the bill: influencers and theme accounts. Influencers are real people who are running their profile, while theme accounts are wrapped around a particular topic rather than a person. Create a list of accounts you feel that your course will resonate well with their audience. Make sure to pay attention to engagement under the posts. One red flag to watch out for is when big accounts, 500k followers and more, only have a few views, likes and comments. This is a sign of a dead account or an account that is flooded by bot traffic. When you're ready to reach out to the account owners, you can use an email lookup tool to find their contact details, or if that fails, just send a DM. But make sure to grab their attention, and within the first couple of words of the message. Instagram and TikTok Messenger previews only the beginning of the sentence, so you'll need to stand out from all the other messages they receive. Ask for shout out prices and provide them with your course promotion visuals and a preferred description. Ask to set their link in the bio to your course landing page for 24 hours. Prices for such posts will range depending on the individual, but for accounts up to 100k followers, it can be anywhere from $25 to $75. For an account with millions of followers, expect the price to be in the 4 to 5 figure range. Make sure to keep a very detailed trackable table of how various accounts perform in terms of clicks and conversions. After some testing, you will know which shoutouts work better for you, and you can schedule ads with them on a regular basis. Use Twitter polls to build engagement. It is easy to get lost in all the messages that are floating around on Twitter. One option that seems to be very engaging for the audience are Twitter polls. The poll can be as simple as just an overall check if people agree with something or not, or you might engage with your audience on a deeper level and ask them what they would like to see in the course. No need to post anything too controversial or difficult. It can be as easy as, for example, where Eventbrite asked their audience to help them choose the name for their new program so they could build some anticipation. Post your course to Pinterest. Sure, Pinterest may not be your first platform of choice, but if you're in one of the niches that the Pinterest audience likes, it's definitely worth a shot. First, let's take a look at a few interesting facts about Pinterest. There are over 431 million active users. The majority are women aged 20 to 45. The household income is 50k plus, and most of the users are from the US. If your audience demographics match up, you should put Pinterest on your social media strategy map. You can pin your course landing page and pay for ads to promote it. There are some drawbacks though. The audience type and demographic are quite concentrated, and that creates a limited number of topics that Pinterest users like. Some of the best fits would be if you have an online course related to fashion, home design, cooking, DIY, travel or personal growth. Don't neglect LinkedIn. Though LinkedIn doesn't need any introduction, there are a few strategies you can use to sell your online course that people often overlook. Leverage your existing network. Chances are that you already have an established LinkedIn profile, so when you launch a course that is related to your experience, do not hesitate to let your network know. Tags matter. Let's say you create an online course and you work with a particular tool a lot in it. Mention that tool with a tag so they are notified. Most companies will like or reshare your post, as this is free social proof for them. It costs you nothing but may increase your chances at LinkedIn virality. The same applies for Twitter and Facebook. Hashtags matter too. Put 3 to 5 related hashtags in your post to help with topical relevance. You will notice that posts with hashtags will most of the time outperform posts without hashtags. While this seems like a very basic tip, many people still tend to neglect it. Share blog posts related to your course. To maximize the reach of your online course, create a short blog post or a series of blog posts based on its content. These can be as short as the overall recap of the covered topics in your course, or deep dive into specific topics that you cover. Optimize your articles with SEO keywords to bring in people searching for information on this topic. You'd be surprised at how easy it is to rank on Google for some niche topics, so you might even see some organic traffic quite soon. With a blog post in place, you can yet promote the content via all the social media platforms. Since it will be in a fresh coat, your audience will not feel that you are selling them too hard or posting the same thing again. Make a video promo. Video has become the dominant format on social media. According to a Cisco report by 2023, 82% of all internet traffic will be video. People consume videos more than any other type of content. Therefore, it's essential to incorporate video into your social media strategy. You may want to consider reusing a part of your online course as a promotional video. You can create a short sample that serves as a trailer for the full course content, or release a part of your course for free. Idea number 3. Earn money for reviewing affiliate products. Another way to make money through social media is by reviewing affiliate products. Companies will seek out reviews from other companies with similar customer bases, and they'll pay for them. For example, say you run a salon. A shampoo company might ask you to publish a review of their newest product on your blog. They get their brand in front of new customers and you get paid. The most important part of any review is to actually use the product. The difference between a successful product review and one posted merely to have one on your site is the details and depth of your review. Be thorough, outlining all the ways the product can be used. Be detailed in your review writing. The more detailed your review, the more readers will appreciate your insights and accredit your opinions with more authority. Think about how you do your own research when buying things online. When writing reviews, less is most certainly not more. Use screenshots and images. The use of images and screenshots are important elements in successful reviews. Studies show that people engage with and prefer content with visual support. By combining well-written text with reinforcing imagery makes for reviews that will bring visitors back. Be honest with the pros and cons. As much as you may want to promote the product to get conversions, you need to provide honest insights. Using pros and cons is a popular method, and it forces you to include any downside to the item you are reviewing. Read other consumer reviews and make note of pluses and minuses they mention. While you do not want to copy others' work, reading other consumer reviews can show you areas you may have overlooked in your first use of a product. As mentioned, the pluses and minuses of a product are what readers look for. Think of restaurant reviews. When you are searching for a new place to get a meal, reading the highs and low points about the food to help you decide. Looking at others' comments allows you to see a product from different viewpoints and provide a more detailed review. These steps will help you create successful product reviews and get your audience returning to your site and converting to sales. Idea number 4. Sell your own products or services. Another way to use social media to make money for your online business is by selling your own products. You can turn your social media accounts into a sales funnel for your business's products or services. In fact, some social media sites allow you to turn your social media accounts into virtual online stores. Image is everything. Use high quality images. People are visually oriented, so make sure your product photos are clear and attractive. Be sure to use bright, well-lit images that showcase your products in the best possible light. Answer what is this and why do I want it in your product description. Use engaging descriptions. In addition to listing the facts about your product, use language that will capture people's attention and make them want to learn more. Clear and concise product descriptions with benefits over features should do the trick. Don't try to pack too much information into each description. Instead, focus on making it easy for potential customers to know what your product is and why they need it. Discounts and deals. Offer discounts and deals. Deals and discounts were a top motivation for online shoppers in 2021. 37% of people said discounts and deals were their deciding factors. Be sure to promote your deal on your page. Idea number 5. Share your knowledge in digital formats. When we we use the term knowledge commerce, we're referring to the practice of charging customers for access to our knowledge. This could be through an online course, an ebook, a membership site, or any other digital product designed to share knowledge. You need only a few materials to sell your knowledge online: a smartphone, a microphone, and Kajabi software. That's it. You might decide to invest in more equipment later, especially after you begin to generate a healthy profit, but you don't need high-end equipment to become an online entrepreneur. The smartphone and microphone will allow you to create tutorial-driven or how-to videos for your online courses. The microphone will make your sound far clearer, which will increase the production value of every video you create. Meanwhile, Kajabi provides you with all the tools necessary to succeed in knowledge commerce. Kajabi lets you set up sales pages, landing pages, email marketing assets, live webinar events, and much more. They can even handle finance management and payment acceptance. With this in mind, you have no excuse for not embracing knowledge commerce. Every moment that you delay results in lost profits. Video is perhaps the most popular and most effective teaching medium for knowledge commerce, but you can also create written materials, audio content, checklists, calculators, and anything else you think would help your customers learn faster and more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills, and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it, and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.